Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today I will going to discuss some solution on arithmetic progression from JEE main syllabus. Now as you can see from the board that one question is already written and the solution is already done. That solution is done by me. So actually I am reading the question and I will give you the answer also. That how I do this solution. First come to this question. The sum of all two-digit number which when divided by 4 yield unity as a remainder, means 1 as a remainder. Unity means 1. Yield 1 as remainder is option A 1 1 double 0, 1 2 double 0, 1 2 1 0 and none. Understood? Now obviously divided by 4, it is given that which one divided by 4. So the sum of all two-digit number which one divided by 4. So that means here we have to learn one thing, or we have to know one thing, that is here the common difference. Common difference should be 4. That's we have to take first. Now the first term for which if we take the common difference 4, the first term we are getting is 13. Understood? And the last term is 97. Because 100 is a 3-digit number. Now the number preceding 100 is 96, that is divisible by 4. Understood? So 96. Now if we divide 96, that's completely divisible by 4. Now the number which give us unity, that is 97. So we can write it in the form the 4 into 3 plus 1 is the first term, 424 plus 1 97, that is the last term. Understood? Now AP series, the AP series be what? 13 plus 17 plus 21 plus 100 plus 97, that's equal to, and this 97 that's equal to 10. Understood? Now this 97 is equal to 13 plus n minus 1 into 4. It's the Tn. Tn we are taking Tn equal to 97 equals 13 plus n minus 1 into 4. Understood? Now this 13 is equal to 13 plus n minus 1 into 4. From here we are calculating and getting the value of n is equal to 22. Understood? Now we have to compute the value of Sn, that is the sum of all this term. So that's it. We are just putting the formula of sum, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into t, that is 22 by 2, 2 into 13 plus 22 minus 1 into 4. Understood? So this is 11 into 26 plus 84. By calculating we are getting that 1210. So my answer should be 1210. Understood? Let's move to another question. So hope you are able to see the board. I am just reading the question. If there are 2n plus 1 term in an AP, then the ratio of sum of odd term and sum of even term is dash. Now first taking the series of 2n plus 1 term, taking the series of 2n plus 1 term as a plus d, a plus 2d dot dot plus a plus twice nd. This is the 2n plus 1 term series. Understood? Now first we are taking that the sum of odd term of the AP. There are taking the odd term odd term is n plus 1 and even term is n number. So if we add this, we are getting total term 2n plus 1. Understood? Now so next move to another question. The question is given here: if there are 2n plus 1 term are in AP, then the ratio of sum of odd term and sum of even term is dash. Now this math is also computed by me. Now here, since the series is up to 2n plus 1 term, so taking 2n plus 1 term, we get the series A plus D, A plus twice D, and A plus 2nd. Understood? Now we are taking the total odd term is n plus 1 and total even term is n. So we can get the total term is twice n plus 1. That we have to given. Next, the odd series is taking odd series A plus twice D, A plus 4D plus up to n plus 1 term. This is the odd series. Now the summation of this odd series is n plus 1 by 2, and if we add this, we are getting the required result by calculating the required result. Here common difference would be common difference 2D. So that is n plus 1 into A plus nd. Understood? Next, taking the even series. The first term of the even series is A plus D. Why? Because A is already associated with the odd series. So even series A plus D, A plus 3D, A plus 5D, plus n term. Now here also we can see that the common difference is 2D. Common difference. So if we do the summation of this series S even, we do, for that we are getting S even is equal to n by 2 twice A plus D plus n minus 1 to twice D. Understood? Where by calculating n by 2 twice A plus twice D plus twice nd minus twice D, we are getting n into A plus nd. Now we have to compute the ratio of this sum of odd series, sum of even series. So what is the ratio? The ratio should be n plus 1 into A plus nd into n into A plus nd. So by calculating, we are getting that n plus 1 by n, that is n plus 1 is to n. So that will be my required answer. So hope you are able to understand it. Next, move to another question. Now here one question, also one more question is given. The question I am reading so that you will understand it. That if S1 is the sum of an arithmetic series of n odd number of term and S2 be the sum of the term of the series of odd place, then S1 by S2 is equal to how much? So come to the answer. Let us take one arithmetic progression series whose first term is A. Consider first term is A and common difference is D. So the series should be A plus D, A plus 2D plus up to n term. So A plus n minus 1 into D. So obviously the sum of the series, that is, if we take this is the first series, the sum of the series is obviously n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this is the sum of the series. Next, taking the sum of the term of the series of odd place. Now odd place means the series should be look like this: A plus 2D, A plus 4D, plus up to n plus 1 by 2s term up to n plus 1 by 2s term. Okay, why n plus 1 by 2s term, n plus 1 by 2s term? Because this is the odd term series, so that's why I have taken it at n plus 1 by 2s term. And another n plus 1 by 2s term, another term is for even series. So obviously here s2, if we take s2, so s2 should be what? That is n plus 1 by 2 into 2 into twice a plus n here, n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2, n minus 1 into d. What is d? D here, that is the common difference here, twice d, so putting twice d here. Understood? Next, the calculation, n plus 1 by 4, this is twice a, plus this should be n plus 1 minus 2 by 2 into 2d. Calculation. So this is n plus 1 by 4, this is twice a plus this should be n minus 1. Understood? Obviously d should be multiplied here, this should be multiplied here. So S2 by S1, so that's equals to n plus 1 by 4 into twice a plus n minus 1 into d divided by S1. What is S1?